Hi, I'm Kamini Patel and I've been vegetarian. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for my new videos. Today's recipe is going to be Rotli Nu Shak. So first we start with the tempering. So for this, I add about a teaspoon of oil, and once that heats, I'm going to start with a teaspoon of mustard seeds. I'm going to add a pinch of hing, 5 to 6 curry pata, pinch of turmeric, not a lot, and a little more than a pinch of red chili powder. At this point, I'm going to add in my buttermilk. So while this is happening, now I'm going to cut my rotis. This is the perfect recipe to use up leftover roti. Also, if you don't have buttermilk, you can replace with yogurt. So I'm going to cut my rotis into medium-sized strips. So I'm going to let my buttermilk sauce, if you can call it that, cook down a little bit. So I'm going to add my salt in. So the consistency of this sauce is entirely personal. Some like a light gravy, some like a more runny one. So it's really however way you like it. So I'm going to switch my heat off and immediately put my roti in and just stir it in. The key is to switch off the heat at the right moment so your buttermilk does not separate. So this is the secret recipe in every Gujarati household. It can be used with yogurt or buttermilk. It can be used with leftover roti and can also be used with leftover rice. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to I've Been Vegetarian.